Hey guys, it's Shellrex here, and today we are doing some Overwatch. I'm with my dad. Who are you gonna play as? Oh yeah, you guys won't be able to hear him, so sorry about that. Daddy, who are you gonna play as? Actually, oh. Did I just start a match? I don't think I did. Sending you a... There we go. So I'm going to pause the video until we find a map. Hey guys, we're in. We don't have a defense, and this is a good map. I take that back, we do have a defense. Yeah, sure. You got a good team? Oh. Don't mind me, guys. I'm not breaking anything. I'm not breaking any property. Tired? Guys, just to let you know, I'll be telling you what my dad says, because you guys can't hear him. We're also going to get something, I think, that will help us record longer. You might be able to hear them. You'll be able to hear the game. So. Oh, wait. What did he say? Okay, let's go. Wait. Before anything, it looks like it. Okay, nobody's talking. I'm going. I have to. I really can't, though, because there's a whole bunch of people over here. And it's their May. May gets me every time. Do we have... Oh, I'm the only defense. I'm going to switch to Hanzo. I'm better with him. Daddy, what defense should I be? I'm going to stick with Hanzo. Wait, I think Widowmaker was... No, we have a whole bunch of offense. We're attack. Yeah, I just noticed we're attack. I just want to do Hanzo. Hanzo's basically an attack, but people say he's a defense. Dang it, she actually blocked off the door. Oh well, I can just climb through here. Boom! Hey! You do my kill! I'll pump shake you! Pump shake. We stole the point. We stole the point. Ah, boom. Oh, I did not mean for that to happen. Dude, that takes like 20 seconds. What? No. Mm-mm. 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 Did I kill him? No? Oh, sad day. I don't need that. I can just do that. Hey! No! I did not see that. You said we needed... But nobody else's defense. I'm going to stick his defense until I get my ult. It's at 82. Oh yeah, guys, did you see my top 5 best ultimate videos? If you haven't, make sure to go check that out. And that's just my opinion, just to let you know, guys. No. None of yours... I mean, my opinion could be your opinion. You never know. Sombra! Daddy, whenever Sombra, gets me, it, like, never does anything. Like, I can still kill her. It's funny. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Yes, we are gonna get it. Climb over your wall. Die. I just climbed over the wall. Ouch. Yay, we beat the first round. I used my ultimate right at the end. Yay. This video's only been 5 minutes. I'm about to die. Oh no. Who should I use? Oh, you said we need offense? We don't have any defense though. Okay, I'll be Genji. Yeah. I just want to see this spray, though. Oh, I didn't realize you could break the ones up here, either. And then... dash! Dang it. I just want to see the spray. That's right. Yeah, sir. Boom! Oh, hopefully they have a bastion. That'd be nice. Yeah, but we never know. Take my sword. Take my sword. And facts from my cousin. Genji has 2 swords. It was a dumb idea coming over here. I died awfully. This video's only been 6 minutes. We've only been playing for 6 minutes. We have 20 minutes to do this. Might be able to record a 5-minute video after this. Oh, wait, no, I have to upload this one. And that takes about like 30 minutes or so. I think it takes like 15, actually. I could do some videos later. So. Hey, shoot me. Shoot me all you want. You can't reflect that? Well, that just isn't fair. I thought you could reflect that. No. Oh. Yeah, I almost have my ultimate though. So that's good. At least it's a Bigfoot. It's a Bigfoot something. Didn't get to read the full name, but ramp. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, you know on the Winston level outside in space, you can't get there, right? I've actually went outside, and it's actually not that hard. There's actually just a door that takes you there. Shoot me all you want. I can reflect your moves. A boost. Give me this here. Hey, shoot me. Shoot me, buddy. Oh. But what? I was clicking the wrong button. I was clicking my old button. Oh, well, they're gonna die. Shoots them right. Our diva. Kill them. That's what they get. I killed her in there. Take that. Good job, Bigfoot. That feels so good to say Bigfoot. Harry and the Hendersons. Oh. No. 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 How? Thank you. Soul, you didn't do anything. I think it's going to be 2 matches. I don't know. It won't let me dash. Dang it. If only you could reflect his. Wait, can you? I don't think you can. But I'm out. I'm gonna die. No, Rever. Well, you're just mean, Sombra. You're getting revenge? Okay, you can get revenge. Watch this replay. I dash at him. It literally takes me backwards. You even saw that. I didn't do nothing. I just realized, and then when you look up, his shurikens are red. It's funny. Yeah, you are. No. No. Hey, Sombra, shoot me. Sombra, shoot me. What do you understand when I say shoot me, shoot me? Yay. No. I reflected her ultimate right at the end. Oh, yeah. She's on our team. I know how. Watch this. She does that. Surprised it didn't load in the air. Well, that's going to be the episode, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.